Hello guys, what's up with you all today? This video is specially dedicated to the guys that have been reaching out to me asking me if all that I've been explaining about the beat the market maker strategy can be applied to the volatility indices, that is the instruments offered by the deriv broker. And then I said, okay, fine, I'm going to make a video on that to explain further. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to start with the moving averages that we have on the screen. Now, this is the red one. The red moving average you're seeing here is the EMA 13. The aqua color is EMA 15. The black color is EMA 200. Okay, so these are the EMAs that we use to analyze the market to make our level counting a lot easier for us. And also, it helps us to spot reversal points. Okay, helps us to spot reversal points. And remember, I taught you guys something called the resets. Okay, the reset is the point whereby the market tends to adjust to make sure that it aligns with all other time frames. Okay, so looking at the crash 1000, this particular trade I took, as you can see, is a very simple thing. Okay, don't complicate your trading. Now, I took this trade. Why did I take this trade? On the 4-hour time frame, I noticed the crash 1000 index has been on a downtrend. As you can see from here, it has been on a on a downtrend, right? Okay, good. So I'm going to show you something now. Now, after I noticed this, mind you, remember some time ago I made a video on the hook after the 1350 EMA crossover, and I don't know how many of you actually watched that particular video. So if you did not, you would need to just go and watch that video, because the truth is, it's one strategy that does not fail. Okay, it's one strategy that does not fail. So I'm going to try to leave the link in the description, okay, so that you can get that particular video. Now, the strategy was simply trying to say that as soon as you locate the peak and we have a 1350 EMA crossover just like this, the market always return back to the 50 EMA. Okay, and then you can take your trade in that particular direction. As simple as that. Okay, now if you had entered the trade here, you can imagine where you would have been. Okay, how far you would have been in profit. Okay, so like I said, this is the 4-hour time frame. I noticed the market had been on a downtrend. Then I switched over to the 1-hour time frame, and I also noticed we already had a full day of drop here. Okay, we had a full day of drop here. And also we had another full day of drop here. Okay, another full day of drop. Then on this particular day, it's a very simple thing. Now the market is going to consolidate a little bit. However, it was going to drop, because that's what I was very certain about. Okay, it's still going to drop. Okay, alpha is going to drop. I might not really be able to tell, but then I knew that it was definitely going to drop, because we are actually around level 3, and level 3 has a special behavior. Okay, it actually behaves anyhow. Okay, the fluctuations are so much, but you can still make a lot of money even if it is misbehaving. Now I'm going to move over to the 15 minutes time frame to tell you something. Now, why did I finally take this trade? I came to the 15 minutes time frame, and here in the 15 minutes time frame, I knew that the market might want to consolidate and reverse, possibly to the 200 EMA above. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So I moved over to the 15 minutes time frame, and somehow I knew that the market might want to consolidate a little bit and all that before it finally tells us what it intended doing. But remember what I said in one other video I made. Okay, I was explaining the London patterns. I don't know if you've seen that particular video. Please and please, I don't want you people to make it seem like I am playing in all these videos that I have been posting. No, I have not been playing. Okay, I posted a video on the London patterns, and one of the patterns I told you guys was that coming off the Asian session, the market does what? Consolidates. So look at the previous day. Okay, from the previous day into the new day, it consolidates. And what happened? Okay, now notice something. It did not break the, okay, it just went a little bit, but still maintaining. It didn't close above the high, if you notice, okay, above the high of the Asian session. And what happened? The market started dropping. So that actually gave me a London type 2 pattern. Okay, when I saw it, I just knew that, oh, the market is definitely going to drop. Okay, what else confirmed the drop for me? The presence of the 200 EMA. Okay, so this is where the 200 EMA is. Since price is below the 200 EMA, I also knew that the market was definitely going to drop. So as you can see, this is an update on the crash 1000 index that I talked about, and see how far the market has dropped. Okay, I actually just closed the trade a few minutes ago because I knew that it might want to start playing around this zone. Okay, so, and since I'm actually working with um, a small account, I'm not interested in those kind of plays, so I just had to exit the market. I exited here. Okay, so this is just simple. Like I always say, I believe so strongly that if you practice it, one thing you must know is, the truth is, as a forex trader, okay, you learn a lot in the market also. Okay, so it will be in your best interest to get open an account, open a demo account, and practice this before you start trading real. Okay, there are a lot of things that, no matter how good your mentor is, okay, you might not learn from him or her. Okay, you might have to still learn them on your own. So I would advise that you open your own open your own trading accounts and then start practicing this in the demo space. Okay, with a proper understanding of how to trade, you can enter the market, download dollars, and then walk away just easily like that. Okay, so, guys, this is just as simple as ABC. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys, okay? I don't know how else to explain it to you guys, but I know that if you try all you can to ensure that you follow every video, every lesson that I have dropped on the channel religiously, you're definitely going to be making money. Okay, I guess what? I have a lot of you that have actually reached out to me privately to tell me that they've been going through my videos and they've been able to become profitable in the market. So if you're still struggling, do not try to pass the blame on anybody. It is actually your fault. Okay, so you need to go back, because I've been sharing premium content that people actually pay money for. I said these are content that I paid money. These are lessons that I paid money to learn. Okay, so I've been sharing them with you free of charge, and then I don't know, I think the ball is in your court to decide whether or not you really want to take the forex trading game very seriously. Okay, so that's it. I just thought to share this tip with you guys. Okay, so and also, sorry, I've not really been consistent in my posting of videos. Kind of been very busy with a lot of other things. Okay, so I'm going to try to resume posting of videos. Okay, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.